Welcome to How To Music Tech. This is part 18 in this series. How to access the looper. There are two ways in which you can access the looper on the B6. First of all, you can use the play mode foot switch, which is located here. Press it until you have selected looper, just like so. This will open the looper control screen. Alternatively, you can use the touch screen and open the menu and select play mode looper. This will also open the same screen. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials on this unit and others to come. Plus, if you'd like to support the channel directly, why not consider becoming a member? Thanks again, goodbye, see you in the next one.